Google has officially removed the questions and answers from your Google business profile, and it is now replacing it with AI, which is Google's Gemini, and it's essentially answering people's questions on your behalf. It's only really showing up, from what I can see in my experience, on mobile, which is why I have my phone pulled up here so that you can actually see where it says Ask Maps. There's some things you need to consider because this whole thing is changing, and if you don't update the information for Google appropriately, it's not going to be able to answer people's questions, and that's actually going to detract from the performance of your account. But if you get this right, then you'll have a strategic advantage over your competition. Now, I'm Travis Wilkie. I'm the founder of Missoula SEO Geek, and I've helped, countless businesses over the years generate hundreds of millions of dollars in revenue using SEO in particular. And basically, what we're seeing with Google business profiles changing like this is you need to start giving Google the right information for it to come up with these questions and answers on its own accord. And a big way to do that is by adding those questions and answers to your website as an FAQ. So if you do not have FAQs on your website, it's something you're going to want to look at adding. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do. Heck, you can even use Google's Gemini in order to help you come up with the questions and answers if you want. But if you just ignore this, then you're going to kind of fall out of alignment with Google's most recent updates and its changes. If you have everything in place, meaning your website has clear, frequently asked questions on it, and we've even seen some success with adding posts or updates and featuring FAQs in those updates. By doing those two things, adding FAQs to your website and adding some FAQs to your updates here, you're going to allow Google to know the information it needs to know in order to have this Ask Maps feature showing up to where people can come in here and actually ask, what's going on with your business. Like for Best Buy, I could ask, do they offer price matching? And it says, yes, they offer price matching guarantee to match the prices of key online and local competitors. And it goes into more detail. And we can ask follow-up questions here if we want as well. There's even some pre-filled questions here, like is online ordering available? Which obviously on Best Buy's website, that is an option. And it's going to give us some more details about that as well. So you can see how this could be helpful if somebody's like, before I call this business or go to the location, I want to know an answer to my question. They don't have to sift through a bunch of Q&As to get that answer. They could just ask the AI, and as long as the AI can find that relevant information on your website or on your listing, it's going to present people with an answer that will actually make sense. And then once they have that information, they're going to show up and actually buy from your company. So pretty straightforward, but very important to understand what's changing here and how to stay up with the times. Either way, I do hope you found this video helpful. If there's anything you do have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with SEO anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below. And we do provide SEO for different businesses in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.